Welcome back to eSIM Studios. I found a fantastic toolkit for those of you that want to sideload APKs, applications, third-party applications on your Android device. This will work on phones, tablets. This will bypass auto blocker. There's a lot of, depending on what Android device you're using, there's a lot of different ways that these manufacturers try to block you from sideloading apps. This toolkit we're looking at right now will bypass auto blocker, will bypass the blocks that these manufacturers put in place to prevent you from sideloading. Now, best thing to do is go in your system settings and disable auto blocker, which is found in some Android phones. Disable security settings for you to sideload apps. Now, first and foremost, you're going to want to get your Android device, your phone, your tablet in with developer options enabled. Easiest thing to do is go to your settings application, search it for build number, and then look where it populates your results. It should be the first one or two items. Select build number, and then once it takes you to that page, tap build number 7 times real quick, and then it'll say developer options enabled. Then you go swipe back a page or two into developer options, and if you still can't find it, go to your search bar again and type in developer options. It'll take you there. Scroll down and enable ADB debugging. Then plug in your phone. You should get a pop-up on your phone that says, do you want to allow this computer access? Hit yes. Hit that little box, always allow, and then okay. And then what you're going to want to do is, of course, with your phone plugged in, and then go down to your notification drawer, pull down that notification drawer where it shows ADB debugging in your notifications, select that, and then you want to go to file transfer because it defaults into charging, but you want to do more than charging. You want to push an application to your phone, so make sure you go and choose file transfer. Once you have that and you have everything enabled, you're going to want to open up this Android toolkit. Everything's going to be linked down below. This is an open sourced, newer toolkit. That's awesome. I've installed an application just to test this out on like maybe four different Android phones from four different manufacturers. This works awesome. On Pixel is the worst because even if you disable auto blocker, they require you to wait 24 hours before you can even install a sideload an APK. This bypasses that 24 hours because what this is doing is automatically pushing that APK file to your device through an ADB command. However, it's doing it for you. You don't have to do it. So once you have your device connected, mine's connected in the background here. Once you go there, mine's already connected, but once you have everything hooked up and connected, go to list devices. Here's the device right here. It shows the device. If it can't find your device for some reason, it'll say no device found. But mine right here shows letters and numbers and device. Now, what this can do, if you go to select APK file, you can see I've already selected one. I found LiveBridge, I opened it up, and then all you do is simply hit install, and then boom, it'll say success. Now it's installed on your device. If you have multiple APKs, you can go and choose multiple APKs and it'll install it all for you in one go. Now, here's some other cool things that this can do. Now, I can't mention it because YouTube will pick it up. My transcription and then possibly block this video, but you can see right here on the screen all this other cool stuff it can install on your phone. It also has support for Android TVs. Really cool stuff. More TV tools down here. Very cool stuff. It'll de-bloat fire sticks, bunch of cool stuff. And then as you can see right here, more cool stuff you can install on your Android device. And then here's something else. Check this out. So this will give you battery info on now I got my signature connected. Look, battery cycles. This will give you system information that will not show up in any app unless you have it connected through ADB. It'll tell you your battery cycles. Yes, my signature is brand new. It got only 19 charging cycles on it. You can take screenshots, tell your OS version, your hardware info, CPU info, usage info, memory info, battery info, battery cycles, battery remaining Wi-Fi info, disk info, and this, if you select terminal, it will open up an ADB command, and then you can manually push stuff to your phone if you want to as well. So very, very cool Android toolkit. Have not, I think it's new because I've never seen this before, and I'm always scouring the internet for new cool tools, specifically toolkits that allow me to hack into my phone a little bit more. Um, so very cool. I'm going to put a link for the download for the Android toolkit, a link for the GitHub, and the developer has some other cool applications that you're definitely going to want to check out. But this allows for easy connection to your device, easy side loading to your device. Maybe I'll do another video in regards to how to connect it to a watch, because you got to do that over IP address, as well as a TV, Android TV. And I think you got to do that through IP address right here. So very cool, very neat toolkit. I think you will enjoy it. This gets past the side loading hurdles and or barriers that Google and or Android has been putting up lately. This bypasses all of it. So enjoy. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. I check them every day. And check you on the next one. Peace.